Hi, I'm Jonathan with Cokesbury VBS. Today I'm going to demonstrate science experiments from the Knights of North Castle Science Leader Guide. This is Session 5, Experiment 1, Build a Seismograph. For this experiment, you'll need a 2-liter bottle, mostly full, a ruler, a felt tip marker, tape, and paper. To assemble your seismograph, take a single piece of tape and use it to secure your ruler to the 2-liter, about halfway down. Just use one piece of tape because you'll need to adjust it later. Next, use tape to attach the felt tip marker to the other end of the ruler. You'll want the tip of the felt tip pin just resting on the bottom. Once your pin is resting on the table, go ahead and reinforce the other end of the ruler. Place the paper underneath your felt tip pin, so the felt tip pin is just touching the paper, and give yourself enough room to pull the paper away to make your mark on the paper. Then, to simulate an earthquake, shake your table while you're pulling the paper away. If it doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just try again. Be sure to practice. And for more information, refer to the Science Leader Guide.